Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anil. In this Vue.js video tutorial, we'll learn that how we can define and use method in Vue.js. So these are the 4 points for this video. We will learn how we can define and use method, how we can use this property and data properties inside function. In last video, I told you that how you can send data from script tag to HTML or template tag, right? So for that, we defined a data function and we just return some properties and we can use this property directly inside our interpolation. So this is my possibilities that we need these properties inside our functions also, which we will define inside our script tag. So how we can use them also inside function, I will tell you. And at the last, I will ask you a question and I will provide you the answer of that question in the same video, so that you don't need to wait this answer for next video, right? So let's see how we can define methods. So for that you need to use methods property like this, and inside it we can just define methods like get name. We can use like this and we can return our values. So let's say I'm returning my name, which is Anil Sidhu, right? And we can simply use this method inside our HTML template right here. So I can just put here name, and now simply put here get name like this, and in output you can see that. Okay, so let me check what's wrong with it. I don't need to put here a comma because we are returning a statement. Now you can see that we got a name here, right? Great. So we can use parameter also inside this function. So let's say I'm putting my parameter name like Sidhu, and let's put here parameter name and let's return this name, and let's check the output. This is working great, and we can reuse it also. So let's say I'm putting here a Bruce for a second time, right? And let's see, the output is again working fine. All right, so how we can define the second method also? So for that you just need to use another method like get data or something, and let's say inside this function I am returning a object, right? So I'm putting two keys here, which is name and email address also. So let me put here email address, and which is Anil@Sidhu. Great. And now let's use this function. Just put here data, get data, and now you can see that this is actually returning the complete object. That's fine, but how we can get the name or email address from this function? For that you can put here dot name, and you can see that we are getting name. If we will put here email address, then we can get this email address, right? Great. So now let's say we have a situation that we want to use this email address inside our get data function. So how we can do it? So for that you just need to put here this dot email, right? And now you will find that we are getting Anil@Sidhu, right? So let's change it Anil@test.com, so that we can check that this is working fine or not. Here you can see that this is also replaced with the Sidhu replaced with the test. So with that way we can use our this keyword and uh, data properties with the functions also. So now it's time to interview question. So can we pass these functions from one component to another component? Yes, we can pass and we can use it either, right? So this is just a theoretical answer, and I will make a separate video on it when I will make a video that how we can communicate, how we can put a communication between two components. That time I will show you that how we can send the data, send the functions, object, and a from one component to another, right? So thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.